Hi everyone, in this video I will show how to fix Samsung Galaxy A06 randomly shuts off. Before starting this video, please press the bell icon or do subscribe this channel. Let's start our video without wasting any time.